Sound is very important on a car. That's why on some models, such as the Beetle, Volkswagen offer a sound system by electric guitar maker Fender. The noise the car makes itself is important too. On the Golf GTI, there is a special speaker fitted in the exhaust system to enhance the sporty sound of the engine. But for the most part, keeping sound to a minimum is the name of the game. For example, on the CC, sound-absorbing materials have been added in the front, side and rear areas. Engineers have further improved soundproofing by adding highly effective underbody trim, wheel well shells made of a material perfected for noise damping, and improved gearbox mounts. Additional insulating materials are also used in the dashboard to prevent mechanical noises entering the cabin. Last, but not least, the windscreen is equipped with an additional acoustic film layer as standard to further cocoon you from the outside world. It's especially effective at eliminating wind noises, which obviously increase the faster you go. At Volkswagen, making cars which are quiet and relaxing to travel in is a key priority. After all, silence is golden.